In this video, we are going to discuss about the trigonometric table. Now, last year, you are aware that you understood this table well and you were remembering the standard angles. These are the standard angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 and 90. You were supposed to remember these values for sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. You must have even drawn this table to remember these values, right? And here one important thing is that you see, as sine goes from 0 to 90 degree, its value increases. That's why sine is called an increasing function. But for cos, if you look at cos, the value of cos theta decreases as it goes from 0 to 90, right? It is maximum at 0 degree and 0 at 90 degree. Now, we were supposed to remember these and we were supposed to use these values in the questions and then solve those questions. What if now I don't have these standard angles between 0 to 90 degree? I have to find the value of maybe sine 31 degree. So what should I do? Maybe cos 28 degree, maybe tan 54 degree. So am I supposed to remember all these values? No. For this, you will be using the table which is given at the end of the book, of your book, or you will be given a red book in the board examination from where you will be choosing the values for those particular angles. Fine. So let's know more about this table, how to use this table. We will learn more about this. Now, using trigonometric table, the tables of natural sines, cosines, tangents, etc. are given at the end of the book. These give the values of these t ratios up to 4 decimals, right? Up to 4 decimal places, and are known as the trigonometric tables. Now, a trigonometric table consists of 3 parts. Number 1, a column on the extreme left containing degrees from 0 to 89 degree. And because sine 90, cos 90, you know that cos 90 is 0 and sine 90 is 1. So the values are given up to 0 to 89 degrees. After that, we have 10 columns headed by 0 minutes, 6 minutes, 12 minutes, 18 minutes, 24 minutes, 30 minutes, 36 minutes, 42 minutes, 48 minutes and 54 minutes. If you look at them, you see that they are all multiples of 6, right? Then after that, there are 5 columns of mean differences which are headed by 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute and 5 minutes, right? They have to be, the values from these have to be used as 0.000, right? They are very small values and we usually use them for the adjustments. Now, an important note, the mean difference, the values that you choose from these mean differences is added in case of sines, tangents and secants, right? And the mean difference is subtracted in case of cosines, cotangents and cosecants. In short, you have to remember that all C's in T ratio, the mean difference value has to be subtracted, right? It's simple to remember that whenever you have C means cos, cosec or cot. The value of the mean difference is to be subtracted. Rest 3, for rest 3 like sine, tangent and secants, you have to add the value from these mean differences, right? Okay, let's now take a look at the table which is given at the end of your book. So this is the book which will be given to you. This is the red book which you will get in the board examination also for choosing the values of sine, cos and tan. Now this, as we discussed, that the extreme left column contains degrees from 0 to 89, right? 0 to 89. And then you have these 10 columns. You see these 10 columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are all multiples of 6, right? And then you have 5 more columns here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are called the mean difference columns. Fine. Now you should learn how to choose the value from this book. Suppose you are given to find sine 28 degrees and 12 minutes. So that is simple. How? So if it is sine, okay, let's take sine 6 degree and 13 minutes, right? And you have to find the value of this. What will you do? 13 minutes column you don't have here. These are all multiples of 6. So what you have to do is you have to choose a value which is slightly lesser than this available in these columns. So which is the one that is available? 12, right? 12. So we can find the value for sine 6 degree and 12 minutes. So how much is less than this? 1. So 1 goes into the mean difference, right? So let's find the value of sine 6 degree under 12 minutes. Sine 6 degree under 12 minutes is 0.1080. So 0.1080, as we discussed that it is given up to 4 decimal places. So it is 0.1080 and mean difference 1 is 3. Now in case of sine, it is to be added. So it is 0.0003. I told you that mean difference is very small. So if I add these two values, I'll get 3801 and 0.1083. This is the value for sine 6 degrees and 13 minutes. That's how we find the values. Let's take one more example. This time we'll use cos. So let's try to find cos 9 degrees and 26 minutes, right? So cos 9 degrees and 26 minutes. 26 is not in this column, right? We don't have 26 here. So which is the value slightly lesser than 26 available here? 24. So we will find the value of cos 9 degree and 24 minutes, right? And how much is the mean difference now? 2 is the mean difference. Fine. So what we will do is we will find the value cos 9 degree under 24 minutes. Cos 9 degree under 24 minutes is this one, 0.9866, right? And mean difference is 2. So what is under 2? We have 1 under 2. So this time we will subtract this mean difference. Why? Because we know that for cos, for all the c's, the mean difference value, for all the c's, the mean difference value has to be subtracted. We subtract the value mean difference on all the c's. So this is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 6, 8, 9, 0 point. So this is your value for cos 9 degrees and 26 minutes. Let's try one more example. Suppose cos 7 degree, 35 minutes. So 35 minutes is not available in the table here under minutes. So what will we do? Which is the value which is immediately lesser than this 35? 30. So we will find the value of cos 7 degree and 30 minutes. So what is the mean difference now? Mean difference is 5, right? So let's find cos 7 degree under 30 minutes. What is cos 7 degree under 30 minutes? It is 0.9914. 0.9914. Mean difference is 5. So we will find what is there under 5? 2. So 2 is very small. So this time we have to subtract it because it is cos. For all c's, we subtract the value of mean difference. So this will come as 2, 1, 9, 9 and 0. So 0.9912 is the value for cos 7 degrees and 35 minutes. That's how we find the value. Similarly, we can find it for tan also. For tan, we can, let's do one example from tan also. So this is the table for tangents. So let's find the value for tan 6 degree and 23 minutes, right? So tan 6 degree and 23 minutes, but we don't have 23 here, right? So which is the value immediately less than 23? It is 18, right? So we will find the value of tan 6 degrees and 18 minutes. What is the mean difference? 5 is the mean difference, right? So let me check tan 6 degrees under 18 minutes. How much is that? 0.1104. 0.1104. And what is my mean difference? Tan 6 degree is 0.1104. Mean difference is 15. Under 5 it's 15. So 0.110015. So this time we'll add this difference because for tan, sine and secant we add the mean difference, and for all the c's we subtract the difference. So 14, 5 plus 4 is 9, 1, 1, 1, 0 point. So what is the value for tan 6 degree and 23 minutes? It is 0.1119. Clear?